Hini angdeng Karbi Anglong Fashion Week 2022 kepaman pon. The Golden Wings atumben kacipatir pi pon pen Karbi Anglong Fashion Week ke damtang suri hini ra inquiry sianing kan penang paman ponsi pining suri hini ra inquiry hini aparman hini angdeng Karbi Anglong Fashion Week 2022 Dipu Kans Hotel and Resort along kepaman pon. Labangsa jamegalong alohi sarpia manpen Karbi Anglong DC Madhumita Bhagavati Chetongdun. Lason si manpeng alohi manpen the Golden Wing ahem phu prasan ghost KLNLF Ami Phubari P Dili Phapangjang Aluhia Manpen Karbi Film Artist Ami Phu Dili Bepen Chenglok per exam ke thekeria tumta Chetongdun alang letum labang so jame Karbi Anglong along ke padopon jasemera ke manglake handloom and textile tourist and sericulture aphan kang thorpon lapen la swalong raji kachibaklang achatay along aning ke hanga bang phato aphan lapen mohor ne bang ato aphan jogja kang thorpon aphan pusi the Golden Wings apartment bang phi designer Maloti Kropia hin penang pachini dun Puben Edwinson Hansin ang kilo abirta Malong News.
It's full of talented people, beautiful people, and beautiful clothes and trades. Everything is so beautiful over here that it is very much required for to have a fashion week or fashion show. Models are also very nice people we have. So we have everything. Like Karbi Anglong has got everything, every talent, every resource. Only thing is that we need to put it, we give it a flat platform. So I think it's a great initiative taken by the Golden Wings organization of Karbi Anglong, and I wish Maloti Kropi and all of you a very grand success.
Ma'am, what do you want to say regarding the persons who really wanted to enter in this field, but unfortunately they couldn't have the such platform to enter?
Yes, that is what I feel, because people are there who are talented, but they have no platform. They do not know how to apply, how to go about it, or they do not have proper training and all. So it's also required to give them proper training, how to do the modeling, how also to make a good, very nice boutique, and all these things require proper training also. So I think it's a great opportunity. I think this is the beginning of. I think it is coming up in Difu and Karbi Anglong, and also maybe we have included the Masa groups also today. So I think it's a good beginning.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What is going to be happening here?
Well, today is the second edition of Karbi Anglong Fashion Week Season 2. We are here to promote handloom, textile, tourism, sericulture, and obviously models, photographer, makeup artists, and for those people, those who want to show their talent in place of like decoration also. And you can see all these decorations are done by Hongjai. So I would like to thank Hongjai for supporting us.
How many of the persons who will be appearing as
okay,
special here?
we have 8 designers. They are going to participants. 2 of them are from Dima Hasao.
Okay. So what is the special thing we will be experiencing in this?
You all will be experience to see every product and have to say ako ko ape.
Yes.
You know, ako ko ape theklong ponpo. Apen ke jens tumpan stami pinsu tumapan stami jarong di jir ik pin arlo tumpan jir ik piba wamko lahai the difference theklong po.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Litum kelang bom lake Malong News 24/7 hampang aparman klar da kabirta.